week was pretty much all Proxmox troubleshooting and meetings and network monitoring. Because we're not getting the performance out of the Proxmox ZFS that we should be. So there's some kind of misconfiguration. So we've been researching and troubleshooting that a bunch. It's not a showstopper, but it's definitely something we need to figure out.
This week, spent some time setting up an internal log server to get logs from some of our line node servers. Spent some time with the build server. Pretty much got 5.120 ready to go. Moved us over now. Got some test build server stuff done for some other changes. Looked into some radius issues. And lots of Proxmox meetings / Dell server meetings on how to fix some IO wait times that we have, help Ludmilla with some stuff, and then help the build team fix some random errors that they were having with some builds and product stuff.
Been working through ClickUp tickets, organizing the specialists with a better workflow. Also spent a lot of time this week on our Proxmox Dell servers, trying to resolve an issue with IO wait latency. With that, dive deep hard into the hardware and troubleshooting, figuring out if our hard disks are going bad. And then last night, I did swap out one of the drives out, and then let that resilver. Also met with the door vendor to look at one of our doors that we're having issues with Paul Singh. And then today ended the day off with meeting up with the sysadmins and Belarus to finalize our solutions for the enterprise and the next steps to take.
This week was a lot of heavy research on ZFS with our Proxmox servers, trying to figure out whether or not we want to stick with ZFS and or go with a hardware raid. Looks like we're going towards a hardware raid, so we might be ripping up some infrastructure here in the future. We got CM into a really good spot, so now we're able to deploy scripts to the whole company, which is great. We got some additional training with Joe on that, but otherwise it was a lot of Proxmox, CM, and preparation for the Red Hat conference, specifically with OpenShift. So yeah.
A lot of cleaning up, a lot of finishing up ZenLab, a lot more work with the build team. Had a re-release as well as a rebuild just today.
Did a bunch of WSIS stuff, also a bunch of SSH key removing and adding, moving VMs from servers to servers, looking into servers to see what people's issues are. Good amount of IT requests that all got resolved.
NCPA 3.3.1 release this week, and then we got XI build, had to redo it, did it twice. Lots of testing.
Super busy week.
Peace.